guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Pratyusha and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, makeup, skincare, beauty and much more. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to catch up on all the fun. Also, today's video is gonna be a makeup organization video. I have been delaying this process since a very long time. I want to organize my makeup, but I always tell myself like, it's okay, we'll do tomorrow. It's okay, we'll do tomorrow. But today I thought, why not sit and organize my makeup? Also, why not shoot and upload it? So yeah, this video is gonna be a makeup organization video. So to organize the makeup, I have a few storage boxes in this, but the organization is not in very good condition. I have organized it before, but after I'm done with the makeup or something, I used to throw things here and there. So I thought, okay, I should organize the makeup today. Also, I want a few organizers for this too, few storage boxes for this one too, and one big box to store my straightener, dryers and all of that, and one more box for my electronics like camera charger and all of that. Although I don't use the camera, I still have the camera, the G7X Mark II, but I don't use it because I don't have a laptop. I mean, I have a laptop, but it's under repair. So the storage boxes I have are from IKEA. So we'll go to the IKEA and bring more storage boxes and organize the makeup. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So I came back and changed my clothes and I bought only 4 storage boxes. This is the first one. This is a very big one. I thought this would be useful for my straightener, dryers and all of that, but I'm not sure if it fits in this drawer or not. That we're gonna try. And the next one is this one, which I already have before, and the next one is this one, which have 2 compartments. I thought it would be useful to keep the wet lipsticks one side and the bullet lipsticks one side. And this is another bigger one. We'll figure it out what we're gonna keep in this. So I'm going to remove the makeup from the drawers and keep it here and organize them.
One eternity later.
I just removed my makeup from the drawer and I realized that my blush broke. It's in a very bad condition. Just look at it. You should see the condition of the makeup. So they were sitting like this since a very long time. They might look like that's my like tripod. So these are all the things that I own. So I'm gonna put all the foundations in this box first and then organize the other boxes. So I'm done with the foundations. I've placed all of those in one corner and this space is still left. I have so very less foundations, no? So yeah, I have this space left. So I'm thinking if I should put powders or concealers over here, because concealers take very less space. Powders take a little bit more space. So I think I'll be keeping powders over here. There is still a lot of space left. I'm not sure what should I put there. So I think I'll just keep the primers in this corner. I'm done with the foundation, powders, primers and setting sprays. I'm going to keep this aside. So coming to the next one, I want to organize my lipsticks in this, all the bullet lipsticks in this and all the wet lipsticks in this. So I'll just first clean it. So later if we find any lipsticks in these boxes, then we'll keep in this. So I'm putting this aside. So I'm going to put all the concealers in this. I'm going to keep all the eye products in this. So I'm going to take this big box and put all the things which are like takes a lot of space. And then we have these two boxes. So I'll put the nail polishes first. I don't own so many. So I think in this box we're gonna keep the eyeshadows, eyeshadow palettes and normal eyeshadows. The first one I'm gonna keep in this. And this is the Swiss Beauty one. And this is like the third palette that I'm gonna keep, the Huda Beauty one. I'm going to keep it aside. And in this box we're going to keep the blushes and highlighters because there are not so many. I stored all the blenders in this bowl. So in this one I'm going to keep all the clips and safety pins. So we are done with the main makeup items, so I'm going to keep them in the first drawer. So starting with the foundation box, it's too heavy. So I'll keep all the boxes over here so that it would be easy for us to organize. So I have like 4 boxes over here. So I'm gonna put the foundations box first. So it sits right there. And the next one is the eyeshadows one. I think I have wasted a lot of space in this, but that's okay. And the blushers and this one. And then my favorite lipsticks organizer. Among all the boxes, I love this. All the storage organizers, I love this one. So yeah, done with that. Now it's time for us to put another box. I think I'll put the nail polish box. Yes. Then the mascara and concealers one. So concealers and eyeshadows sitting right here, where we still have a lot of space left. So I think I'll be putting... This just happened, like we still have space, so we'll keep the toners and hairsprays. So this is how it looks like. Very convenient. The foundations, the eye makeup, the toners and makeup removers, the eye products, concealers, lipsticks and blushes and highlighters. Okay, we'll just close it and look at the second one. how messy it is. This is the hot chocolate that I had during Christmas, and in my, you can see it in my Christmas decor. I bought it home and I have kept it behind me as a backdrop. So I have to remove few things. There's my camera, the batteries and all of that. So I already have this box for electronics, and this box is for jewelry, and this seems like the odd one out, so I have to arrange the jewelry in some other box, or if I'm out of boxes then I should arrange in itself. We will now organize the jewelry. So this is how it looks like, and first we're gonna put the jewelry over here so that it would be easy for me to reach out whenever I want, and the blenders, then the sponges that I have, and then the electronics inside, the mirror, so yeah, that's it. Comes the bigger box. So this is how it looks like, the straightener, the dryers and all the other things. Though it is not that organized, it doesn't seem like organized, but the things are inside the box, so we can figure it out whenever we need or something. They don't come out of the box. So yeah, that is the first one, and then I'm gonna keep all the other things inside. Yes, that's it. And I'm gonna put the mirror over here. This is how it looks like. Again a mess, but I know what is there in which compartment, so I can reach out to them whenever I want. I'm just closing it.